my name is Whitney Ziegler, and I'm the founder of Big Rocks Organizing, a professional organizing and right-sizing specialty company based here in Beaverton, Oregon. We have a dynamic team with extensive training in working with special needs populations, and we are proud to be an employee-owned business. Our company is named Big Rocks Organizing because we like to help clients focus on their big rocks, and you can watch the video on our website to learn more about what big rocks are. A study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that women who described their homes as cluttered were more prone to depression, fatigue, and higher levels of stress hormones. Another study showed that participants in an orderly room chose healthier snacks and donated more money. Another mental health benefit we offer here at Big Rocks Organizing is life transitions coaching. We are not counselors or therapists. As coaches, we are here to collaborate with you to help you through a challenging life transition. This can be essential to your mental and emotional well-being. Think of us as your personal trainer for your home or for your life. Please visit our website, bigrocksorganizing.com, to learn more about us, or check us out and connect with us at one of our Wine and Wisdom events, which are also posted on our website. Thank you so much. We look forward to connecting with you.